Yo, what's up? We're back. We're chilling with Kai's Apparel. You already know. We doing the mukbang at Red Lobster and shit. Let's show you what we're working with real quick, guys. If I get it in. You guys, hopefully. You guys see that? Oh, man. Alright. Now I got Kai's Apparel.
You already know, man. Bosses gotta eat. This is how bosses eat.
You guys see that?
Big old fat lobster tail. Gotta treat yourself, not cheat yourself.
But yeah, man, we out here doing the mukbang at Red Lobster and shit, you know what I mean? Fucking got the corn, got the baked potato, got the New York strip, and I got the A1 sauce, you know what I mean? We can try it without the A1 sauce. Oh yeah, that's just right. I might eat half of it without the sauce. Like butter. Some of this baked potato action. You guys see it? You guys see it? Fire. Dude, we gotta show you this real quick. Look at, you guys see that?
You already know, man.
That shit was lifted up how you eat that thing with it. Does that lasagna stick? What is it? Linguine.
It's not linguine. It's a lobster.
No, what's that?
Lobster tail. Oh.
It's like lobster linguine or something.
Yep. Lobster linguine, man. With some
steam.
shrimp. You know what I'm saying?
It's
Can't go wrong.
Mukbang in it.
Yep.
Look at that lobster. That shit. Yeah. You already know, man. See, that's the thing, man. I gotta get drunk to try the lobster and stuff. You know what I mean? I eat the steaks and shit, man. I figure if I eat like some seafood, I think well, what I notice on the YouTube channel, all the seafood, great, excellent. All the seafood mukbangs, they blow up fast, man. Like butter, like butter. Corn on the cob, you already know. That's some good corn. Alright, Kai's is cutting the lobster right now.
You already know, man. Check it out. That's what we do.
Lobster, dog.
You know what I'm saying?
That looks some bigger like the big chicken breast, though.
Yep. That's what it is.
Oh, you
Drip,
see the drip?
drip.
You see the drip?
Got to.
That's the money shot right there, guys. That's the money shot. Fuck, I hope my camera picked that up. If not, my bad, guys. This is my first mukbang over here at a restaurant. So I probably should have brought my camera stand, but it's good. I'm new in the game, dog. New in the mukbang game. I want to give a big shout out to Yika. You already know. Shout out to Tasty Motives. Shout out to Confession of a Meat Eater. You already know. Mukbang crew growing strong, dog. Let's get it. Man. Tell you the truth, I don't come to Red Lobster a lot because it's all seafood, but they could cook a pretty good steak, though. I'll tell you that. Oh, look at that. I gotta try to get that.
You gotta see that, man. It's the lobster. Just pulled it right off. Just pulled it right off, man. Really good. Really good.
Oh yeah, you guys see that?
Gotta love it.
You see that, man? That's like a double mukbang for you guys. Could you handle that action? Could you handle that? It's corn. Delicious, delicious. Go in on this baked potato again. Man, really wish I could smoke or vaporize in here. But you already know, pretty soon we'll be out there again in Europe. We'll be grubbing, blowing trees.
What up, Cheeks? You don't want those 5 or not? Oh, you do? Oh, okay.
Mukbang, mukbang.
Yeah, that's cool. I was gonna take these back today, but...
Oh yeah.
Oh, you need them at home. You need them home. Oh, okay. Well, shit, I'll be over there. It's all good then.
Fire, fire. Oh yeah.
That's good then. Oh, okay, cool. Then I'll take them to you tonight then. All right.
Oh yeah.
Sorry for today, bro. But let me know the next day or two what you need.
So what's up? Drop it in the comment. What you guys dabbing, pressing, rolling up, extracting. What you guys mukbanging on? Eat that shit. Eat that shit. You feel me? Eat that shit. Shout out to Yika eating the show. You already know.
Yo, so I'm still waiting on the one that's gonna take all of them, but you know what? My other partner I seen him the other day. He wants 5 right now. So I'm gonna just take those 5 because those are for sure already. But I gotta meet him in the valley. He told me it's for sure. So those 5 is for sure, and then my other boy calls me, then I'll give him whatever I got. And then I'll just take you the rest. All right, give me a heads up.
How we doing over here?
Oh man, good, bro.
All right,
Thank you, man.
perfect.
Thank you. Came quick, man. It's gonna be a tip for me.
Excellent service right now at Red Lobster. And I'll let them know. Be like, nah, dog, that shit was crappy service. My steak was fucking overcooked.
How was your steak? Pretty good?
Look, guys, my steak's elite. Look at that.
That looks good. Not too peak. It looks perfect.
Perfect. Man, this shit was so fucking perfect. I didn't even use no A1 sauce yet.
That's when you know the steak's good.
You already know.
Mm-hmm.
Throw some A1 up on it. You already know. Where you guys? Some A1. Different show, different time. You already know. Holler at your boy. Tap in. We keep it with it. You know what I mean? I keep the fucking viewers. You guys don't even know. Waiting until you guys see my mushroom pizza. I'll be playing Super Mario's. But yeah, man. A little info for you guys. Got to cut the video in a bit. Like I said, I gotta buy a laptop or whatnot so I could get a bigger video profile. But stay with it. Rock with us. Fucking, you know what I mean? Kai's Apparel. You know what I mean? We out here. We doing it. We're gonna bring you sick footage, you know what I mean? This is just the icebreaker right now, you know what I mean? There may be a cooking show coming soon. Who knows? You know what I mean? Throw it out there.
This is the beginning of every meal, how every meal is supposed to be.
I want to put out another channel so I could do like just mukbangs on it. Just because my channel started as kind of like a cannabis community channel or like a pressing game or whatever. And you know, I don't want to disappoint the channel, so but I do like the mukbang videos. And I like the community that they got, so you know what I mean? Real spit, like I really comment on these people's pages that I talk to, like Tasty's, Yika, Confession of a Man Eater. You know what I mean? They're cool. It's like the WeTube community. You know what I mean? So holler at your boy. Tap in. We out here. We mukbanging it with you guys, for you guys. You know what I mean? I don't need to film myself eat. I do it for you guys. Alright, we out. Deuces, have a good one.
You already know, man. Look. Done deal. Done deal.
We out. Deuces. Have a good one.